Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is one of the more quick videos, but nevertheless one important video I think. First of all, I just want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. That's a quite big achievement in my opinion. When I try to imagine like how 100 people looks like, so yeah, that's pretty unreal for me. But I guess I'm doing an all right job. But in this video, I'm gonna be talking a little bit about my helmet setup. I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time. I've also got some comments about how I installed the intercom, and some other people had some other comments about this specific helmet. So I just want to share my opinion about it, because there are a lot of opinions about it and how it works out. But yeah. I'm gonna start off with my how I mounted my GoPro and my microphone. So the way I mounted my GoPro is using chin mounts, and then the bracket that comes along with the chin mount for the for this mount, and then then you know the rest of you use GoPro. They got these extenders, so I got more to play with when I want to determine the angle I want to use. It gets some of the like a lot of the road and the environment around, and the landscape and what all of that stuff, and not just the dash. Had some problems with that doing our trip in Norway because I was just starting off with it and had to it was kind of new for me, and I had to figure out how the angle was supposed to be and how I usually looked when I rode the bike. So it gives me a lot of room to play with, and I think it works out great. The microphone, plenty of room here when you use these extenders to plug it in the jack, and then I just wrap it around the mount, and then I have the microphone inside here, up here. I know this is not a a good position for the microphone, because that's where you have your mouth and your nose and creates a lot of noise. So I've had some not problems, but it was something I was very looking out for when I was in Norway. So if I wanted to get some nice footage where I get some exhaust down, and I didn't have this in my pocket because I wanted to record my voice too, then I kind of hold my breath so I don't make a lot of noise into the microphone. But I think I want to mount it inside the helmet somewhere, but as you can see, they're not really something I can clip it onto, and the pads out here, there's not really a room behind them. So I think I'm gonna find something to stick onto, like around here where I have like the same thing over here where I have my Cardo microphone. So I want to find like something I can stick on to the other side, and then I can put the microphone there, because that's better for so I don't get all that noise from the from my nose and mouth. But yeah, so yeah, other helmets might have room or something. Please let me know if you guys have found any good spot in there to place the microphone. I've not, so but it fits well there, and it doesn't annoy me with my nose, and that's right in front there, and I got clear view. So just a little noise from my mouth and nose if I have breathe heavily. So but other than that, it works out great. What I don't think worked out that great with this helmet is when you install your intercom in any helmet, if it doesn't come with it, you have to take out the entire inner part of the helmet, all the pads and stuff. This helmet, when you take off this part right here, the other ones are like fairly easy to install, but there are two spots I want to mention for you guys before you go get this helmet, because it is annoying, and I'm kind of like disappointed in NEXX helmets because of this. Maybe it's just me, but let me know if you experience the same thing. Right around here on the back, when you take off this to install the intercom, this is quite hard to put back on. It's supposed to click into like a spot down here. I don't think you can see it because it's really dark inside, but it's supposed to, like, there's like a pin or something, and then it comes and then it wraps around it. But it's quite hard to put that back in. I've not succeeded with it, and it's the same thing around here, that it's not like plugging back to place, connecting. So that's pretty annoying. So every time I go for a ride, I have to like put it back in. And it sits fairly well and it works out great for the ride, but I have to do it not multiple times, but almost every time I put on the helmet, I have to check if this is like falling out. So I think this is like this. So sometimes when I take off the helmet, it kind of pops out, and that's quite annoying. But I've installed the chin mount and I got my intercom into it, so I don't want to bother with a new helmet. I just put it back in, and if you guys don't mind that, I mean, there's no issue in that. But I just want to mention it for you guys, because I think there is some kind of a lack of quality control from NEXX. It's not me hating, it's just I think when you buy a helmet for that amount of money, it is a fairly expensive helmet, in my opinion. I know Shoei and all these AGV helmets and are also quite expensive, but I just think for a helmet that costs, I mean, like I paid, I can't really remember, but like around 600 euros or something. Don't hang me up on it, but it's not a cheap helmet. So I think this is I don't think that's all right for a helmet in that price class. The other part I'm not really happy about is this up front. It doesn't bother me when I ride, but it is supposed to click on here to these, and it just falls off constantly. So and I don't want to even bother putting them on, because it's like just hanging there. It doesn't come into sight in the in front of the visor or anything, but it's just annoying that it's like kind of falling apart all the time. And you can put them back into place, but it doesn't really connect properly. So in my opinion, it's just a waste of time. Just ride with it like this. You don't want to start gluing it together or anything, but it's just, again, a helmet in this price class. I mean, it should be better. I've not tried a lot of helmets, but when I ride with my friends who use other helmets, it's just like there's not that many problems with them. I mean, maybe it's just me. Is this helmet was bad made or what? But I don't think so. I mean, I think I got a comment from a person who had a newer version of it. I think it was called the Apex or something. And he had similar issues to it, I believe. So yeah, these two things are really annoying. Like, I put them back together and it doesn't really stick to it, and every time you take off the helmet or something, then it falls back out. So it's like you kind of ride with the helmet that's falling apart. So that's quite annoying. But I mean, I like the design of it. It's a really nice lightweight helmet, and when I do ride with it, I think it's really comfortable. The wind noise is not that bad, so I think that's good. But it's just this this noise, not this noise, but this annoys me, that it's just not easy to assemble again, and it doesn't stick properly. So but yeah, the cheek pads are quite easily to take out. I mean, some people have requested me to do like an installation of my intercom, my Cardo. I just don't want to take it all out and do it all again. But these cheek pads are quite easy to take out. I mention again, like, if I was you and you consider this helmet as a helmet, you know, you want to ride with for a long time and you want to install your own intercom and everything, I would not recommend it for you guys. It looks cool and everything, but I mean, the hassle I've dealt with afterwards, like with all this, with all these pads and coming off all the time, and it's not connecting properly, I would not recommend it for you guys. I'm not hating on NEXX. I mean, I like the helmet, I like the design, but this is just not alright for a helmet in that price class, and I think you guys can probably pick up something better for the price, or maybe a little more. But yeah, it's a cool helmet and everything, but it's not always about looking cool. I mean, you want to have something that you can use for a long time, and I mean, I just got used to it, but in the start I was pretty disappointed, but now I'm just living with it, you know. But yeah, the last thing I have, if you guys wonder what this is, it's like a safety thread that you can put. I've just put on my GoPro, so I've not attached it, but you put this inside here, so if the mount and the adhesive on it falls off, then this catches the camera, so it doesn't, you know, land on the road or something, so you save your camera. So that's just what this is. I recommend this for you guys if you have a chin mount or POV mounts. I know they, in the advertisement, they say that they are much better than chin mount, but it's basically the same thing. It's 3D printed mounts, I mean, and adhesive, and you know, as if you ride with these for a long time, I mean, it will loosen up. It's actually starting to loosen up a bit with me, not a lot, but just a little bit. So eventually, maybe it will fall off. So better be safe than sorry. But that's gonna be my review and take on the NEXX X3R3. No, NEXX X.R3R helmet, I think it's called. I can't remember. But if you guys have any comments about the helmet and anything I didn't mention, please let me know down in the comments, and I will reply to you guys. But yeah, also one last thing, the ventilation works pretty good in this helmet. I don't feel like I'm dying when I ride with it. There's plenty of options, and this is easily accessible even though you have your GoPro in front of you. And the other ones, I just ride with them open all the time, so I don't, you know, bother fiddling with it when I ride. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would pretty much appreciate that. If you want to see more motorcycle content, and as I said before, if you have any comments or any suggestions to what I should do on the channel, please let me know down below. And I'll see you in the next video.